Hi, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video, I'll be talking about types of point of view. There are 4 types of point of view: first person, second person, third person limited, and third person omniscient. So to start with first person point of view. First person point of view is when the character is in the story and is telling his or her own thoughts or experiences. Some keywords to look for when you're identifying first person point of view is I, my, me, us, or we. For example, I walked toward the store. My father yelled at me. Or we watched the football game. All of these are characters in their own story telling about their own experiences, which is why it's first person point of view. First person point of view could be in an autobiography, a diary entry, or an editorial newspaper article. Second person point of view is not as common because the story is told by you. The keywords to look for second person point of view are you or your. For example, you picked up the baseball, or your dog started barking. Again, these are pretty uncommon to see, but it'll be easy to identify because it'll be like the stories being told by yourself. Now there are 2 types of third person point of view. Third person point of view limited is the more common kind, and you'll see this in lots of fictional novels. This story is told by an outside narrator about someone else, and he only knows about one person's thoughts and experiences. Some keywords to look for are he and she. For example, she laughed at the crazy cats, or they sat in the chairs. Third person omniscient point of view is a little different. This story is also told by an outside narrator, but he knows about all the characters' thoughts and experiences, so he's telling a story about multiple people. Again, the same keywords to look for as limited point of view are he and she. But for the example, she stared at the back of his head, wondering what he was thinking. He was leaning against the wall, wondering if she was staring at him. As you can see, the narrator knows about the thoughts of both the characters and is telling both their point of views. This point of view is pretty uncommon to see. This has been a Bullis Student Tutors video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutoring videos. Thank you.